A scenic picture is a material that we use in the Montessori environment for enriching the vocabulary of the children. So, it is any beautiful painting or a photograph of a scenery that the children are familiar with. So, this is a painting that I got from the internet. I don't own the painting. So, you just sit with the children and have a conversation. You can, age appropriate, and you can decide in which language you would like to do it. In the environment, if it's an adult handling English, she will do the conversation in English. The Tamil auntie will do it in Tamil. So, just ask the children to observe the picture and form sentences. What do you think these children are doing? What do you think, what's happening here? Why do you think there are many birds in the sky? What is this lady doing? Just with whatever picture you have, start off a conversation, and the aim is to make the children speak in that particular language. It helps them in, this is not for you to talk, it's for the children to talk. Okay?